power of a number. If we have to multiply the same factor a number of times by itself, we use a short notation known as power to represent this recurring multiplication by the same number. In other words, the power of a number says how many times to use that number in a multiplication. For example, instead of writing 5 times 5 times 5, we can write 5 to the power of 3, which reads 5 at power 3. Look at the figure on screen. The recurring factor is called the base. The number that shows how many times this factor appears in a recurring multiplication is called the exponent, and the result of this operation is called the power. Therefore, the popular terminology used to express this operation is not very correct. Thus, in the expression 5 to the power of 3 equals 125, we should have said the power of 5 with exponent 3 is 125 instead of 5 raised to the power of 3 gives 125. However, we are now familiar with the second way of expression and nobody complains about that. Example. Calculate the following shown on screen. Solution. A. We have the following. B. We have the following. That is all for lesson 1.3.5, and the end of tutorial 1.3. To continue chapter 1, please watch 1.4 Introduction to Order of Operations and Baz Rule. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.